This is Joan of Art. I'm starting my top 5. Joan of Art. I'm starting my top 5 of nice places to eat here in Sagada. I changed my mind. Some make it top picks. Actually, the Sagada Homestay restaurant is not that bad. I ordered one salmon dish for 120 pesos only, and it was the most generous helping of salmon I ever had. The cafeteria atmosphere, but homey. Pancakes and bacon. Cheese omelette. And what's this? Pancake with egg. The log cabin offers deer meat. The only one I think here in Sagada that offers venison. It's local game from Abra. So if you want something different, but yummy, healthy. The pasta is also good. We only had dinner here once. It has a cozy atmosphere, great food. I would recommend this place for a good meal. Salt and Pepper Diner. Another one of my favorite. I just had one meal there. They serve Ilocano dishes and the usual staples. From up the road, it's visible because of that building. There's a name there. My favorite food is the Sarabasa Ilocano dish. Very yummy. Also another favorite, but sometimes their food is not available. The food on the menu is not available, so that could be the problem, probably because there are a lot of customers here who are finishing off their order. A warning though, when you enter this store, use the doorknob. Don't push straight away. It has a homey atmosphere, 2 levels, and a nice view of the balcony. Hello! Another favorite is Gaia Cafe. Been here twice, obviously, because it's a favorite. And the view is just as awesome as the food. Must visit. I can't compare it with the more popular restaurants down at Central Sagada. This one takes some kind of effort to get here. You either hike for an hour or take a van like we did. The place is full right now for lunch. Chocolate shake and vegan adobo. This is the place. Dinner will be served at 6:30. Well, the place looks full already. Look at that. It's very popular here for the beer and wine and drinks. So we say kaunta.
Kaunta.
Kaunta. Let's.
If I could have something packaged, just boom, that's what it is, and not be too intrusive with it.
The yogurt house has been our favorite, and we've been here for quite some time already. The kitchen is always busy, and they have a nice fireplace that's warm at night. This is Bulky's plate. What's this? Hiker's Delight. Robust. And my top picks. And of course, only those restaurants that I've been to. I'm sure there are other places here. And maybe next time we'll do a review on that as well. And it might be included in my top picks. This is Joan of Art from Sagada, leaving today for Buscalan. See you in our next video. Bye for now.